Ready to ditch the ink stains and dive into the dazzling digital world? For magazine mavens eyeing online empires, the print to digital leap isn't just a step, it's a superhero landing. Forget geographical limits. Your words can now rocket around the globe faster than a speeding bullet. Think of print as a one-way street and digital as a vibrant, interactive city square. Suddenly, you're not just publishing, you're hosting a party. Spice things up with videos, podcasts, and graphics that jump off the screen. Plus, you can update faster than a chameleon changes color, keeping content fresher than a just printed page. But watch out, the digital city is bustling. To stand out, you need a killer content strategy, your unique flag waving in the digital breeze. Monetization gets a makeover too. Beyond subscriptions and ads, unlock treasures like affiliate links, sponsored content, and maybe even a secret paywall passage. To guide treasure hunters to your site, you'll need SEO savvy, your map to ranking high in search results. Think keywords are boring? They're the magic spells that make your content visible. Social media? It's your megaphone and your party line. Engage directly with readers, build a fan club, and turn lurkers into loyalists with polls, comments, and live chats. It's about building a buzzing community around your brand. Navigating this new world requires a compass. Analytics. Tools like Google Analytics are your truth serum, showing you what content is a hit and who's reading it. Understanding bounce rates and page views isn't just numbers. It's your audience whispering what they want. Stepping into the digital landscape means embracing constant change. It's a dynamic playground where new trends pop up like digital dandelions. Explore different content formats, articles, videos, infographics. Find what makes your niche sparkle. Search engine optimization, or SEO, isn't a one-time fix. It's an ongoing quest to stay visible. Social media isn't just posting, it's building relationships. And analytics aren't just data. They're the clues to unlocking growth. Ultimately, the shift is about evolution. Be willing to adapt, experiment, and listen to your digital audience. Your print legacy is the foundation, but the digital future is your chance to build something even bigger and brighter, reaching more eyes and ears than ever before. So grab your digital toolkit and get ready to transform.